Muhle girl. Thanks,
Yeah,
Nzama.
woman.
Can I see how you look? Maybe I'll
No,
know
no, no.
you
Trust
if I
me,
see how you
I don't
look.
want to tempt you, but I'm gonna show my. I don't usually do this, but trust me, I am handsome as well. Dark chocolate. But okay, let me.
They say you must fix things with this tail.
Ever thought?
Like this is good for me. I feel like this is new for me. Show yourself, yeah.
What,
Let's
Ellen?
see. And why even say that you're
Yes,
a
because
scammer?
they don't have a lamp. They just ask how you do that. Everything in life, you need to hustle. So they have a problem with that. So I can't argue with someone who's sitting in a bus
So
and
wait,
trying to argue with me because they're not me. You understand? It's like someone looking at you, they're gonna say, "Why are you beautiful? Are you using products now?" You understand? They have a problem. So people they always talk.
but my thing is, what's the story about an
No,
orange
it's just nice. It's
Lambo?
just one of my cars, and I like it. I like to brag about it mostly, so that's why they're talking about it.
So you act from generations and you drive a Lambo.
Yes, but I used to do like part-time scene. Yeah. I just wanted some like just to do my skills. But this thing they don't pay.
President, I just repaid your one bar. You borrowed me. Thanks.
Okay, I'm gonna show myself. I'm gonna do this for you. I don't usually trust me, ne?
Yes,
Because Emma don't. Whenever I do this, they record me. The next thing when I after here is gonna be on YouTube. President with girls, this and that. They do those and stuff. So let me show myself. I just hope this will the one record me today, and I'm just gonna show myself like for a briefly, and then I'm just gonna exit. So let me just show myself quickly. Sorry, let me just move to the bar so that it can be very easier for me with a better view.
I'm so excited to see
I'm just
this.
gonna move to the bar quickly and get a drink because my confidence is low. So if I grab a drink quickly, if I grab it, ask case.
President, I just passed a Lamborghini at
Oh,
R55.
that's some road in Joburg. No,
R55.
it's not me, my friend. Maybe they look alike.
President, is your PA available this week? Yeah, he's gone. Why are you like now? Now apparently you also boy his eggs. Like what is it with you? It's Bonang, it's
No,
Boiti,
I'm
it's
just a nice
Cheddar.
guy.
What
I'm a random nice guy who just likes to have fun. And people they like me, and then so I just need to put some.
Someone just said, President, the rest of the money will be paid next week. Sorry about that.
The country is focused. These people they are very focused. Trust me, they are very focused.
Do you sell
Yes, I have my
phone
own
bath?
phone bath. Yes, it's big. Yes. Hi, Stacy. Yes, Troy. Yes, I sell phone bath as well. I also sell.
Okay,
Yeah, I'm just getting my drink quickly right now here. Hey, my dude. I just want to.
Well, I said that people
They
know a
know.
lot of
Hey, man.
squeeze him in your life.
now I'm also speechless of this comment, Chef. Now I'm also speechless of this comment.
President, thank you for the house you bought me. Mr. President, let's see the bar.
Hey, my daughter, now these comments, they are also like scaring me right now. But anyway, hey, my daughter.
Nobody, wait. Did you really do all these things that these people are saying?
99% yes. Not 100%, 99% or 98 or 95.
We just paid 1 million, the rest is being processed upon it. Please don't add interest.
So you see the people who are negative, let me tell you something. The reason that they're negative is because
Wait, are these people being sarcastic or what? I'm confused
it's
now if this
realistic.
is sarcasm or
what. What do you think is maybe? Now I want to show myself, but I just have to have a drink and it's getting in quickly. I just had a strong shot of tequila quickly. Maybe it's gonna be very fine. Just one energy. So that I can show I can do that. But why are you in PE? You're supposed to be here. No, you're welcome, Stacy. Yeah, this one is she's my friend. She asked me for 3 weeks. I mean, like, but not like same day, like different time. You understand? No, she asked me to buy her like hair, but I didn't just buy 3 weeks at the same time. It's my friend, so I just buy like one. Hey, my daughter, the to me. Okay, let me do this.
You guys,
No, they're being
realistic.
realistic. They're being realistic.
Like,
Let me show myself. Okay, I don't know what must I show you. Maybe that's gonna make you to believe. What can I show you when I show myself?
No, let's just see. I wanted to, since you said that you're on Generations,
okay. It's okay.
Rango, let's just see. Maybe
it's okay. Let me just show myself. But,
oh, you give people money.
Yeah, I'm just a nice guy, but I like beautiful girls. That's why I even saw your live. Then I decided to come to your live, and I was following you. I don't know why I'm following you, but yes, maybe I saw something that I like, and then until today I see you, and I think I didn't make a mistake. Plus, you're Xhosa, and I'm very, very familiar with Xhosa women, and I've been most of the time to PE in Alagoa Park. I used to go to Ado, mostly Pasmagawel, all those places, East London. So yes, so that's why. So yes.
Like you just she's still getting
yeah, she's focused. Okay, let me show. I'm doing this for you guys. I don't want them to record me. I'm doing this for you. I'm just gonna show myself. After this, I'm just gonna pop out of the live, ne? And then out. Yeah, then I'll join your live some other time, or I will talk to you on your DMs or somewhere else. But I'm just gonna show myself a brief of yeah, and then okay, bigger than DI Packard. This Emadot. Troy Emadot. President just finishing your can find them around Emadot. It was because the friend giving. We all know. Okay, yeah, it's fine. Let me show myself. Like now, now. Let me just quickly put my phone nicely here, and then.
Did you take your shot?
Yeah, I did take my shot. It's fine now. I feel a little bit better now. Oh my gosh, I'm so shy. Trust me. I'm so shy. I'm telling you the truth. I'm shy. But you can hear by my voice. You can hear by my voice, yeah, it is, but I'm shy, trust me. I don't know. I think I'm just gonna have to video call you offline, Shem. I'm so shy. This week they're gonna record me, I know.
Let's just just do like a 2-second live reveal.
Okay, 2-second live reveal, and then I'm okay. You know, you're making me do something that I hardly do. Okay, setting up the light. Yes, I'm setting up the light nicely. I need some serious lighting, nice one. I don't want to disappoint. Okay. No, I'm shy for real. I'm so shy. I mean, like I'm showing myself as a beautiful lady next to me.
But you even. I'm saying you even took a shot.
It's not making this thing look like it's weak, and I don't want to get drunk.
Can you just take another shot?
Another shot. What's your favorite drink? Let me drink what you like to drink. Hey, my dude. What's your favorite drink?
Huh? What options?
All the options. That I think you. What do you like drinking? Anything.
In terms of shots. I don't know. It depends.
Okay.
It depends
What's your favorite drink?
What I'm doing. My favorite drink, I like having a
margarita. Okay, nice. I don't know. I can't make margarita because it's gonna take long, but I'll just get something.
No, it's gonna take long. Just do a shot.
I'm gonna take a shot, but you are beautiful. Trust me on that. You are beautiful, and trust me. I'm thinking next week I'm gonna be single, or next month. I'm tired. The way my girlfriend, the way my.
Man, show your face.
You've been waiting, but okay, but we're seeing one face. Okay, let me show my face now. Okay, guys, I am showing myself. Now, please, couple in this car record the iPhone. What those Samsungs?
But the moment you say that, that's when people are actually going to do that. So rather than say that and just like do it.
No, they will listen.
Because the moment you
at least they will listen. Those with Samsung, please, don't take screenshots. And then iPhones, please, don't screen record. Okay. We vote for her as the new first lady. Trust me. If I was single,
Oh
if I
well.
was, guys, Troy, if I was single, trust me, I was gonna take her as the first lady. Trust me on that. She is beautiful. Because every time when you go, where your lady represents you, and this one can represent me very nice. And yeah. Okay. Yeah. In 3, I should be showing myself right now. Here I am. Please don't laugh. I want you're making me more shy, and I'm ready now. I was about to do that. Now you're laughing.
Come on.
Already you're excited. The camera is set now.
No, I'm laughing at Troy's
Okay.
comment.
Yeah. This is hard for me to do, but I'm just gonna do it and then just get over it once, and then we continue with some other topics. and then I just switch off on the camera, and then